Still using that mushy keyboard that came with your PC? It's time for an upgrade that feels amazing without costing a fortune. Today, we find the 10 best budget mechanical keyboards for you under $50. Kicking things off at number 1, our unbeatable all-rounder, the Tecware Phantom 87. For just $45, its killer features hot-swappable switches, letting you customize your feel later on. If you want the most value and future-proof flexibility, this is the one you buy. Number 2 is the wireless wonder, the Royal Kludge RK61. For around $50, you get full wireless freedom with Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz connectivity. If you hate cables and want a super clean, minimalist desk setup, you need this 60% powerhouse. At number 3, we have the office champ, the Logitech K845. Priced at $60, this keyboard offers a professional aluminum design from a brand everyone trusts. If you need a reliable mechanical keyboard for work that doesn't scream gamer, this is your perfect, no-nonsense choice. Number 4 is the true budget brawler, the legendary Redragon K552 Kumara. For as low as $35, this thing is built like a tank with a metal base. If you want the cheapest entry into a durable, satisfyingly clicky mechanical keyboard, this is it. Coming in at number 5, the entry-level enthusiast pick, the Keychron C1. For around $65, it delivers a more refined typing sound and feel right out of the box. Mac users, this is your best friend, with full compatibility and included keycaps. Number 6 is for the brand loyal gamer, the EVGA Z15. At about $40, you get a full-sized, hot-swappable keyboard from a major PC component brand you already know. If you trust EVGA for your other parts, you can trust them with your keyboard. At 7, we have the best non-mechanical, the Corsair K55 RGB Pro XT. For $50, this membrane keyboard has quiet keys, but offers brilliant per-key RGB lighting and integration with Corsair's iQ software. If you want the gamer aesthetic without the noise, this is your choice. Number 8 is the ultimate starter pack, the Havit mechanical keyboard and mouse combo. For just $40, you get both a solid mechanical keyboard and a gaming mouse. If you're building a new PC on a tight budget, this combo is an incredible deal. At 9, we have a colorful hot swap alternative, the Huog Z88. For about $45, this keyboard is very similar to the Tecware Phantom, but often comes in unique colorways like all white or pink, with matching white backlighting. Finally, at number 10, the stylish 65% pick, the Epomaker Akko 3068B. It's a bit more at $70, but you get a unique 65% layout with arrow keys, wireless connectivity, and beautiful PBT keycaps in unique color schemes that look and feel amazing. And that's a wrap. 10 awesome budget keyboards, all available under budget, that prove a great typing experience is within reach. All the links are waiting for you in the description.